How to use Coda. Coda tutorial for beginner. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Coda. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and just go to coda.io. And if you haven't signed up for Coda yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know this platform, Coda is a platform that combines documents, spreadsheet, databases, and application into a single tool, aiming to create a more powerful way of working collaboratively and organizing information, in which it allows users to create interactive and customizable documents called docs that can function as a flexible workspace for teams or individuals to collaborate, plan, and manage projects. And some of the features that this platform provides, including flexibility, building blocks, customization, collaboration, templates and example, and of course, integration. And now to get started, just click this Get Started button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will be directed on the dashboard of Coda, in which from here, it will show you a variety of options that you can start navigating on the left side panel, such as the workspace, manage templates, packs, icons, members and groups, and any other option. And as you can see from here under My Workspace, it will show you below here your recent project or document that you have been created, in which this option will allow you to quickly access the documents that you have been recently viewed or edited. While under My Shortcuts option, from here you can add your frequently accessed documents to your My Shortcuts for easy access. While under On by Me option, it will display the documents that are owned by the user. While Share with Me option from here, user can view the documents that they have shared with others. While Mention, this option shows the documents where the user has been mentioned. While the Deleted, of course, is the option that will allow users to view the documents that have been deleted. So basically, those options will provide users with convenient ways to navigate and manage their documents with Coda Workspace. And aside from that, you could also navigate My Shortcuts on the left side panel from here, in which by simply clicking on it, it will show you your favorite docs across your workspaces and other docs that's shared with you. But as you can see below here, I don't have any starred docs yet. And now moving on, you could also navigate here, Manage Templates option, in which from here, it will allow user to create, customize, and organize pre-made document templates for various purposes, in which these templates can be used to streamline and standardize processes such as project management, task tracking, finance management, and many more. And to browse other templates, just click this Browse Templates button, and it will show you a pop-up window. And from here, you could also start from scratch, and also choose the recommended templates below here. And aside from that, you could also navigate the Packs option by simply clicking on it. It will show you the subcategory under packs such as subscriptions, shared with Workspace, share with me, and My Packs, in which this refers to extension that add new capabilities to your documents. And these packs supplement the core building blocks of Coda, allowing you to customize how your document looks, works, and integrates. And there are packs available for many popular tools such as Slack, Jira, Google Calendar, Gmail, and Salesforce. And aside from that, from here, you could also navigate the packs that has been shared through Workspace or the packs that also has been shared with you. And pack is important since it provides a way to extend the functionality of Coda and integrate it with other tools, enhancing the overall capabilities of the platform. And to create a pack, just click this button right here. Then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you a variety of ways that you can do or you can choose in creating a pack. And this is what it looks like of the code of this pack. Now going back to this page right here, you could also navigate the icons option, in which from here, it will allow you as the users to add custom icons to your documents, tables, and canvas, in which these icons can be used to enhance the visual appeal of your documents and make them more intuitive to navigate. But you must have an upgrade account to custom icons in your docs. Now moving on to these members and groups. From here, it will allow you as the users to manage the members of the workspace and organize them into groups. And from here, you can invite new members, monitor the activity of existing members, change roles, remove the members, and also permanently remove to your workspace. And also from here, groups can be created to organize members based on their roles, departments, or other criteria. And now moving on to the workspace settings. From here, it will provide users, particularly workspace admins, with the ability to tailor the setup of each workspace to meet the specific needs. And you can even see here your members, the admin, the doc maker, and also the number of editor. Since workspace setting allow for customization and organization of the workspace, including managing members, setting permission, and configuring various aspects of the workspace environment. And from here, you can navigate the billing, code AI, packs, access, and activity log, in which it will enable you to know the activity of each member. Now moving on to My Docs option, this feature in Coda serves as a central hub for creating, organizing, and accessing documents, in which it allows users to manage their documents, including creating new ones, accessing recent documents, and organizing them into folders. And aside from that, if you want to create a new workspace, just click these three dots and click New Workspace button. And on the pop-up window, all you need to do is to enter the workspace name and proceed by clicking Create. And aside from those options, you could also navigate on the top panel the option Resources, in which it will help you to know more about this platform, such as the guides, courses, and webinars are offers under these resources. And aside from that, you could also navigate the gallery by clicking on it. From here, you can find and explore published documents and packs created by the Coda Maker community, in which the gallery is designed to help makers connect and share with others for anyone looking for inspiration, tools, tips, frameworks, or thought leadership to quickly, easily find the most relevant documents that will fit their needs. And now, going back to this page, to start creating a document, you have the two options, such as to start with templates or start from scratch. But I'm going to choose to start from scratch, so kindly click this blank doc button, then you will be directed on this page. And from here, you can start by adding your title or the title of your document, in which you can even add an icon right here. And below the title of the document, the next thing that you need to do is to add the page title. So for instance, I'm going to enter here Chapter 1, and after that below, you can simply add more context that you prefer. And if you want to insert some other details, design, and elements, just click this Insert button on the top right corner, in which from here you can insert some templates, building blocks, packs, and even import some other data. And to insert these building blocks, which is the elements, kindly drag it into our document. And now as you can see, the checklist has now been inserted on this document. And aside from that, from here you could also import some other document from Google Docs, Excel Sheets, Notion, and any other platform. And if you want to add new page, kindly click the button or icon on the left side panel right here and proceed by clicking New Page. And if you also want to add sub-pages, kindly click these three dots right here and click Add Sub-Page. Then you can click either New Page, New Sync Page. Then after that, you can both change the title of the pages and the sub-pages. And now, going back to this page right here, if you want to upgrade your account in order to experience some other features, just click this pricing button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed in here, in which it will show you some of the plan that they offer with its corresponding prices and list of benefits it included. So you can purchase any of this plan depending on your preference and needs. So that is just how you can use Coda. Thank you.